Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by assembling the exact assets you'll use so you avoid rework later. Pick a 1920 by 1080 canvas, then import your logo, offline image, and any animated loop. Once done, create separate PNG overlays for text and a single MP4 or GIF for motion. Make sure to name files clearly and keep transparent PNGs under 1 MB where possible. This speeds import and keeps your broadcast software responsive as you build the waiting screen. Open OBS or Streamlabs and create a new scene specifically for waiting. Add your background loop, then layer static PNG overlays above it. Place text fields for schedule and social handles using consistent fonts and sizes. Once layered, align elements inside safe margins for 16, 9 viewers, and mobile cropping. Next, configure a gentle fade or slide transition and lock stable layers so accidental clicks won't move them. This creates a reliable, polished waiting screen ready for testing and switching. Finish by testing live locally. Confirm the loop runs smoothly, text reads at a glance, and no audio bleeds through. Then optimize, lower bitrates, compress GIF, switch to MP4 loops, or enable hardware encoding to reduce CPU strain. If something breaks, first inspect scene order and locked layers, then check GPU and CPU usage and disable conflicting browser sources. Finally, save the scene collection and export your profile so you can restore this waiting screen instantly if you need to rebuild.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.